Wow. This is where the magic happens, huh?
So this part of the building is where we pack the orders, pull the orders, pack them, and ship them.
Okay.
The back is where we put everything together. So out here is where we do the tools, and then we have the seed room. When somebody places an order, they print the orders off, and everything has a location. And so they go, and it's printed in walking order.
Oh,
so they just go through here.
That's nice.
See, like the first one's A1B9. So they just pull. The next one's A2. So you just kind of walk and pull.
I like that it's in order too.
It wasn't
hunting and pecking.
It wasn't to begin with,
Yeah.
and it would take you. We shortened our time and our number of steps.
I bet.
We used to have 4 people here pulling.
Yeah.
Because it was just so crazy.
You came up with this idea, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
They did what they call a heat map. So they mapped out this room right here with the most popular items. So we reconfigured everything and pushed everything up. So the way it's located here is by popularity. So each one of these seeds right here are the most popular. And as you go back, they become less popular. And what we're trying to do there is limit footsteps.
That's correct.
That's awesome.
So they use this heat map to every now and then reconfigure it and pull all the most popular things up so that they don't waste any.
That's like
Yeah, this building here is 24,000 square feet.
Wow.
And it's already about full. So this is going to be Greg's other office. And then there'll be a big conference table in here, and then a big screen up there. So this is going to be like the war room.
Okay, I like it. Very cool. He's got a view of the warriors. He's got a view of the warriors down here. Very cool. Man, this is nice.
Called the Money Girl, Deborah's office.
Oh, okay. The Money Girl. Nice. I like her little house though.
whose office is it?
Deborah's.
The Money Girl.
Oh, let me go in there.
How long has Hoss been here? I don't even know.
Since 2010.
Oh, okay.
8. We started with just the push wheel hoe, the single wheel hoe. And he started because we couldn't find the parts for the Planet Junior. He had a bunch of Planet Juniors. So that's how it started, is because you couldn't buy the parts for the Planet Junior. So this is where we added on to the warehouse.
Wow.
2 years ago.
I did not realize
Because
this
everything
place
was
this big.
stored up here as well as packed. And it was just,
Too
you could barely walk.
confined. Yeah.
So this is where everything's stored and put together.
I didn't realize this place was so big.
You're talking about the strawberries. We do them over there on that door over there. And plus, we fixed to put in the shipping line. The packed order line is probably going to be over there. We haven't made our ultimate decision yet, but it's probably going to be over there.
Did you think we left you, Maggie?
This lady here is responsible for this back here.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Kaylin, as I call her. Kaylin, but I call her Kaylin.
Nice to meet
She
you.
calls me Greg.
Greg.
There you go. Now, does the temperature have to be cool like this?
We keep this at a cooler temperature, try to keep the humidity under control too.
Yeah.
Now these
Seed
seeds, these
storage.
foil pack seeds here, this most people understand, but once these things are sealed, It doesn't matter. They get it forever. But these paper packs need to be kept in and our bulk seed needs to be kept in a certain
Is
temperature.
that like Mylar?
It is. So when the ladies out there need to re-pull something of them to pack, they know the bin location. They can come back here and pull it, make sure they don't have to be hunting everywhere.
Yeah. Do y'all have a lot of people that just show up here to try to buy and stuff?
Local people?
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially during the spring. And then we have some that drive 4 or 5 hours, and a lot of people think we have a store. But
Yeah.
if they come, we take them on a tour, and
Yeah.
the girls up front help them. So,
Oh, okay. And you let them shop?
well, we'll pull it up on the computer, and because everything's in bin, and I don't even know where it's at, so it's kind of
Yeah.
hard to
I
shop.
would say, how do you do that?
Yeah. So they tell us what they want, and we'll pull it up for them and help them buy it.
So where do you think most of your business comes from? Do you think it comes from Amazon? I mean, like, what's your most traffic?
No, our website is our most
Biggest
traffic. And
Does the affiliates bring you a lot
Texas,
of?
during the spring,
The affiliates bring you a lot?
I mean a fair amount, but not the majority of the business.
How many
But
affiliates do y'all have?
the ones that are active, we probably have about 50, but we probably only have 10 to 15 that actual, pushes
Promotes
it.
and pushes.
Promotes, yeah. And a lot just only does it like during the spring. Spring is real heavy. It kind of wanes in and out.
Like some hockey league.
Put you on some skates.